Hey, what's up, Camp Nerd fans? This is Ian here in the camp, and I'm bringing you a simple tutorial with an Android phone, which is yesterday in my area, we had some Amber Alerts go out on the cell phone. It went on the TV, it went on the cell phone, it went everything. And it gets pretty annoying with that loud sound that comes through. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can take those sounds off as far as like the Amber Alerts where you don't get them and you only get in certain types of alerts such as presidential alerts, severe weather, things like that. Okay, and what I did is I took a spare Android phone that I have, and basically I ported it through the computer so you could see this tutorial. All right, so now there will be more tutorials coming in the next couple of days. There's a few things. I'm going to be releasing an app on the Windows Store, so I'm kind of getting that wrapped up. And me and my wife just had our anniversary over the weekend, and so we're getting everything back in the flow. So without further ado, let's show you how to get those Amber Alerts off your phone if you choose to do so. All right, now with any Android phone, this is going to be pretty much second nature. What you're going to do is you're going to go to your apps, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to your settings. Now in your settings, you can just type EMER, and if it auto finishes, it should, you'll see emergency alerts up at the top. All right, you click on emergency alerts, and then here you can do like the default notification sound for the alerts, the dialer touch tones, and stuff like that. Now, this is under your sound. Now, if you come all the way down to the bottom, you'll see emergency alerts. When you click on emergency alerts, you'll see here that you have an option down at the bottom for extreme alerts, severe alerts, show Amber Alerts, and show opt-out dialog. All right, now if you click on show Amber Alerts and it's checked, then say if there's a car that comes up stolen, then that Amber Alert notification will be pushed to your phone. If you want to get rid of that, then you just uncheck that box. All right, now severe alerts could be like weather, things like that. Extreme alerts could be like World War III broke out or something like that. Now, you can disable all of those alerts, but you will still get the presidential alerts and you may get some weather alerts. But what I do is I keep the extreme alerts showing and the severe alerts showing. And this is how you get in. You can have it to where it vibrates on alert. And you see up here, it's the presidential alerts is grayed out. That's in this area right here. You'll always receive those no matter what. You cannot turn those off. And you can listen to like an example of what the alert sounds like and everything, and you'll probably get that annoying eerie sound. And so, but this is just a short little tutorial on how you can opt out not to get the Amber Alerts on your cell phone. If you enjoy getting the annoying sounds and the Amber Alerts, then you don't have to do any of this. But if you would just like to check to make sure that you're receiving all the Amber Alerts and all the severe alerts that you can get on your Android phone, then you can follow this tutorial as well, either to add them or take them off, whatnot. Okay, and that is the tutorial for right now. I've got some things that I've got to do as far as getting the application up on the Windows Store. I'm getting everything set up today and hopefully be released in a couple of days. So with that, remember, this is Ian here in the camp. Be sure to read the description. There may be some things in there that you may not know that you would like to know about. Also, if you would like to become part of the Camp Nerd family, then just hit that subscribe button and turn on them notifications to get some really cool tutorials like this, whether it's C# coding. I'm expanding out doing other tutorials such as with Android phones and things like that. So if you would like to be able to get the Amber Alerts or take them off, follow this tutorial. If you liked it, hit that like button. Be sure to share the channel, subscribe, have your friends and family subscribe. And also don't forget the Keep It Nerdy merchandise is in a link in the description below. And you can also follow me everywhere. Just look at that description as well, and you'll see some pretty cool things in there that you may not know about the Camp Nerd community. Until next time, I will see y'all guys in the next tutorial. Until then, keep it nerdy.